Oh my god, she is huge. I've been trying really hard to clean up the yard, and it is happening little bit by little bit, but not fast enough. Not as fast as I would like, not as fast as Sarah would like. And recently I've had a few people comment about the amount of stuff all over the place, and that given this is Australia, isn't that dangerous? Like, aren't there like snakes and stuff? Well, but sure, it could happen. There was a snake at the kids' school the other day. Principal had to call the snake catcher. But I'm not really worried about snakes. Snakes get out of your way. Redback spiders, on the other hand, different story. Now, I was just cleaning up some of this wood, and which is next to the pile of sand the kids have been using as a sandpit. And see this web here? That's classic tangle web for a redback. Whoa! Look at her! Look at that! Oh! Okay. I don't think I've seen a redback that big and that fat in an incredibly long time. She is huge. They don't need to be big to cause you some serious harm. And not many people die from them because it isn't that common for people to get bitten by them, but when they do get bitten, geez, you get sick. On the average house block, there are around 30,000 spiders. Here in Bendigo, several hundred of those will be redbacks. And it's just not physically, like, even if I was inclined to go around and kill every single one, it's just not a reasonable management strategy. It would not be effective. Like, the chances of me finding and killing even 10% of the redback spiders here, even if the yard was tidy, is, well, quite frankly, bugger all. And the yard's not tidy. So while I attempt to clean things up and get on top of things, a much more effective strategy for us to look after the kids is to teach them the risks and teach them to manage those risks for themselves. As you can probably tell, we're not helicopter parents. Guys.
Holy cow.
What?
There she is.
What is it?
Now, Maura, you're asking what that is, but I'm sure you can tell me what it is. It's a redback. But isn't that a big one?
Yep. And it's got an egg.
It has. That's an egg sac. There'll be thousands of little spiderlings in that when it hatches out.
Back.
And
wait, can you get it off my wood sometime?
Well, the thing is, and this is what I wanted. Like, I've told you guys that this is, you don't put your hands where you can't see them and so on.
Mm-hmm.
Now, you saw where this was underneath the wood, right? I'm just going to give her a little bit of a poke. But something I want you to see is when these things decide to move. Oh, see that? Oh, look at that.
It's a piece of string?
Yeah, but look at all the little globlets of glue on it. That's her I'm going to capture you string.
Cool.
Right, so this silk here, right? See, there's a silk line there, and all those silk lines there. That's structural webbing.
Yeah.
That means she can run around and not get stuck. But this, with all those little globules of glue, that's the I'm trying to capture something.
You capture!
Well, I'm not capturing her. Okay, do you realise these things can kill you?
They're the most poisonous spider.
No, they're not the most poisonous spider, but they're the most poisonous spider around here.
In Australia.
But what I want, no, around here. What I want to try and show you though is if we can get her to move.
She's in a fighting mood.
She's in a fighting mood, yeah. Is how quick, because like they don't look like they can move fast when they're kind of like this, but when they want to, they just take off.
So is she protecting her eggs?
Probably.
Do they do that?
She's moving slowly. Yeah, they do. Oh, here. Okay, see. Okay, she's on the web.
Yeah.
Right. Watch her run. If we can get her to run. No, she's not going to do it. The other day when I found her, she just took off and I missed it on the camera. Oh, she was so quick on the web. She just ducked under there so fast.
Upside down.
We'll just move that back over there. And we'll tip it. Alright, now, kids. That's a very dangerous spider.
What are you doing to get it off my wood?
No, I'm not.
She can live there. For
So you can just live there. What? Why am I not killing her?
Why?
Oh yeah, because it's part of nature.
It's part of nature, but another reason why is it doesn't serve any purpose. Do you know how many redback spiders are on this house block? Amongst all this wood and tin and all around the place?
I don't know.
Hundreds. And so killing one doesn't do anything. It doesn't reduce the risk to you kids. It doesn't make you safer. It doesn't do anything except kill a spider. And there's no point in that. So what you guys need to know is that when you're out here grabbing pieces of wood, when you're playing, when you go underneath the house like you've been told not to, that's exactly the place where those spiders live.
Yeah.
Right? And so when you're out and about and you're playing, or when you're out with me in the forest and you're turning over rocks and stuff, right? You got to be,
Scorpion or those.
yeah, or snakes. Yeah.
Snakes, scorpions, all sorts of stuff.
Yeah.
lizards.
Yeah, well, lizards are the stuff we're after, aren't we? Well, actually, let's be honest. Really, seriously, guys. When we're turning over a rock, are we only looking for lizards?
No.
No.
Do we get pleased and excited when we find scorpions?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, we do.
Dad used to collect them.
I'm glad you're being honest, Morag.
And Angus.
So guess what now?
What?
School
Time to
time.
get ready for school.
That's the kind of thing I try and do with the kids as often as I can. When we're out and about together, I am regularly, actively looking for things that I can talk to them about, that they'll be interested in, to teach them stuff. And trying to weave that in to just our general parenting style. You know, sometimes with good results, sometimes not. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and I will catch you guys anon.